everyone. Welcome back to our 10-week beginner English course. This is Lesson 7, talking about places in town. Remember, new lessons are uploaded every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. If you follow the full 30-lesson course, you will be speaking English with confidence by the end of 10 weeks. Today's topic is very useful because we all go to different places in our town or city. The market, the school, the park, the hospital. You will learn how to name common places in English, ask and answer questions about places, use sentences like, I am going to the park. Practice real-life dialogues with me, so let's begin. Part 1. Vocabulary. Places in town, repeat after me. Education and public buildings. School, I go to school. Library, I read books in the library. Hospital, the hospital is big. Police station, the police station is near my house. Post office, I send letters at the post office. Shopping and food market, I buy fruit in the market. Supermarket, we go to the supermarket every week. Restaurant, I eat pizza at the restaurant. I drink coffee in the cafe. Bakery, I buy bread from the bakery. Public places, park, children play in the park. Bus station, the bus station is busy. Train station, I take the train from the train station. Airport, the airport is far. Bank, I put money in the bank. Part 2. Asking about places, here are some useful questions. Where are you going? Where is the supermarket? Is the park near? How do I get to the hospital? And answers. I am going to the library. The supermarket is next to the bank. Yes, the park is near. The hospital is on King Street. Repeat after me. Part 3. Useful sentences. I am at the park. I am in the supermarket. I am going to school. The restaurant is near my house. The bank is next to the post office. The bus station is far from here. Let's go to the cafe. I need to go to the hospital. Now your turn. Say them with me. Part 4. Dialogue practice. Dialogue 1. Asking for directions. A. Excuse me, where is the library? B. The library is next to the school. A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. Switch roles. You are A. I am B. Dialogue 2. Meeting a friend. A. Hi. Where are you going? B. I am going to the park. A. Oh nice. Let's go together. B. Great idea. Now you play both A and B. Dialogue Sen. At AA. Good afternoon. Can I help you? B. Yes. I want a cup of tea. A. Would you like some cake? B. Yes, please. A. Here you are. B. Thank you very much. Part 5. Practice sentences. I go to the supermarket every Saturday with my family. My school is near the park. The hospital is big and clean. The bank is next to the post office. I take the bus at the bus station in the morning. We play football in the park after school. I drink coffee at the cafe with my friends. Your turn. Make 3 sentences about places in your town. Part 6. Practice activity. I will ask you some questions. Answer aloud. Where are you going? Where is the supermarket? Is the park near your house? What do you do at the library? Do you like going to the restaurant? Excellent. Part 7. Recap. Today, we learned vocabulary for places in town, how to ask and answer questions about places, useful sentences with go to, at near, short dialogues for daily life. Part 8. Homework. Practice task. Now it's your turn. Write 5 sentences about places in your town in the comments. Example. There is a park near my house. I go to the supermarket every Sunday. The hospital is big. I like reading in the library. I drink tea at the cafe. This will help you practice writing and vocabulary. Part 9. Closing. Great work today, everyone. You now know how to talk about places in your town in English. Remember, practice every day. Repeat the words, practice the dialogues, and use these sentences when you go out. Don't forget, new lessons are uploaded every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss Lesson 8. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.